Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk Kodlin NXL foot controls. Now, this is going to be on the higher end of foot pegs. What we have here is a mini board and a peg. We'll get into fitment in just a second. Let's talk pricing. $400 for the peg, $550 for the mini board. Like I said, this is a higher end product. Also on the boards need an adapter. There are 3 different adapters available for fitment. So those are $45. So really you're looking at about a $600 mini board here. So why is that so expensive? It's because of the construction. This is a billet setup as far as like how it's machined, but then it has a piece of stainless set over the top of it, and that's screwed in from the top with little Allen screws. Comes out with a pretty cool look. If you're looking for something on the performance side or even like on kind of the dirt side of a look, this is gonna be what you're looking at. Also very light, really strong with the billet, really light. So it's got 2 like premium products in a billet construction with stainless over the top of it. So that's why you're seeing that kind of high price point. As far as fitment on the peg here, extremely late model stuff. This is for M8 Softails, Sportster S, and even Pan America. This wouldn't be a bad Pan America peg. It does have, like I said, a lot of off-road qualities to it with the Allens on the top there. They're kind of a tapered Allen, give you a little bit of grip, and if you have a muddy boot, that kind of crisscross section there, that dirt's gonna fall right out of there. This isn't gonna chunk up with a bunch of mud. So actually a pretty good peg there for a Pan America rider. Over here on the mini board, this is not for touring models. This is if you wanna add a little bit of a board to the driver part of your Harley. And this is a 6-inch board with 3.5-inch wide. So plenty of room to put your feet, give you a little bit less fatigue, but depending on the adapter is depending on what it's going to fit. And it does have that early mount style adapter. And what I mean by that is like, if you put foot pegs on a Harley, you know, eventually they went to like a late model style adapter with some of the late twin cams where it's kind of a split clevis. That early style clevis is like a male-female setup where the peg always had the male part of the clevis on it. Now, that means you can put this on the passenger side of some models. The later models, you won't be able to do that. But if you have like an earlier model twin cam or before that, where it takes the old school standard style Harley clevis, if you use that adapter, you would actually be able to put these boards on the passenger section, even though it's not necessarily for that. These are basically driver boards. If you're looking to add some boards to like an earlier Heritage or something like that, this is gonna be a way you could do that to front and rear. We'd have over $1,000 wrapped up in mini boards, but it's nice stuff. Again, really functional stuff. There's no chrome option here. This is all black, billet, and stainless. If you're looking for more information on these, go ahead and click on the info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about these pegs. Still looking for more information? Go ahead and reach out to your customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.